everyone. Salam, namaste, sat shri akal. This is my first vlog. ये मेरा पहला व्लॉग है फ्रेंड्स. गाइस सपोर्ट मी, लाइक मी, सब्सक्राइब मी. मुझे तो पता नहीं है कैसा बनाते हैं व्लॉग, बट दिस इज द बिगिनिंग, सो आई एम ट्राइंग माय बेस्ट. So basically this is Golkonda Resorts and Spa, Gandhipet, Hyderabad. Let's have a tour of this property. Here we go.
The vehicle is ready.
This is the heritage building where we have reception. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा मेरे वीडियोस में, मेरे शॉर्ट्स में ये स्टेप्स. और ये हमारा मीनार है जलफ निज़ाम. इस पे मैं सेपरेट से वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइस. So this is Cabana, private dining hall, not hall, private dining area. कितना अच्छा है ये लिफ्ट्स पड़ा हुआ है. It's looking so good actually. So this is the pathway that goes to Minar kitchen. How beautiful it's looking. It's amazing. This way goes to premium rooms. So here we are. So this is the side way of heritage building. We are having multi-cuisine restaurant cum coffee shop. And we are having beautiful villas, swimming pool. Close to swimming pool we are having mist poolside kitchen with good ambience. And here we are having pathway towards villas, and this goes to villas. Here we are having leisure sitting arrangements. Apart from this we are having amphitheater sitting. That's a beautiful view of Golkonda Resorts and Spa. So guys, this is amphitheater. With good ambience for sitting. Here we're having a small lotus pond. Beautiful view of swimming pool near villas. So these are the villas. We're having different types of villas here. Apart from, we are having gymnasium, indoor outdoor games in this building along with corporate offices. So this is our property. Hope you like it. My first vlog of YouTube. Alright, thank you so much for staying tuned, for watching this whole video.